Laurel Ridge has helped us train our leaders.
They're a local entity that knows us and understands what we need.
They've made us better.
It's reasonably priced, but the quality is from experts.
It's not just a course and it's one and done. They take time to follow up, to find out what clicked, what were the aha moments.
At Laurel Ridge, we are your local, reliable partner for workforce training programs. We prepare employees and leaders to ensure your organization's success moving forward. The corporate training team can customize courses around your needs, working quickly and cost-effectively.
We can basically hone a program and mold it around whatever we need.
They're one of my favorites to deal with and match the right personalities and the right fits with one another.
We offer high-quality instruction and hands-on training, accommodating your employees on multiple campuses and sites. We'll even train on site at your company.
We have had great partnership with Laurel Ridge. Our members are always our mission, so we want to make sure our employees are our mission as well.
What we're currently doing right now is sending employees for continuing education, whether that's to learn Excel, leadership, whatever that may be. Show that they're important by giving them continuing education.
Laurel Ridge is amazing.
Whether you need to upskill your current workforce, enhance professional development, or develop custom training programs for your team, trust Laurel Ridge Workforce Solutions. We are partners in your success.
And the partnership with Laurel Ridge is just such a magnificent value.
Very personal touch.
They've been an amazing resource for us.